Hi, I'm Sofie, and I'm here to present our pre-study that we're doing right now. We call it MINE-R, but it's also called Distance Awareness and Orientation, Exploring Augmented Reality Applications for the Deep Mining Industry. And the project leader is my colleague, Anna. She couldn't be here today, but instead it's me, Sofie, and Anders sitting there, consultant for RISE. And the aim with this pre-study is, through a user-centered approach, explore what future AR applications and systems could be used in the deep mining industry. And it's a pre-study, so it has been going on since the end of March to almost ending now, late November. And who's in this is Boris, and we're from the beginning an industrial design studio, but we're also doing some research often together with RISE Västerås, where we worked a lot with Elsa Vara and now also Anders. For this pre-study, we also had the possibility to meet with Ulf Andersson, who helped us get down to the Boliden Kankbergsgruvan mine, to help us understand the context of where we are. And the starting point for us was we have in the same constellation before we worked with personal safety and positioning systems in industries. And we had an idea of using the learnings from before together with AR to see what we could do in terms of positioning, but also from a design perspective, aesthetically interesting and could provide something into these contexts. What we had planned and also done is try to understand the context by doing study field visits to Kankbergsgruvan, and finding the need, discussing with the potential partners for a bigger application. That's been the aim all the time. We've analyzed different types of techniques we could use for this, and talked to more experts within RISE and other things for this area. And our result for this is in the end to provide 4 early design concepts that we could discuss with potential partners to get some ground in this. And these are the 4 concepts that we have been discussing, and it's learnings from this process and also from before. 3 of them is more AR, where this speaking robotic, that we call it, is more about optical measuring. So it's about gestures, language, and communication between autonomous vehicles and humans within the deep mining industry. So this is basically where we are. We have identified that this is the most interesting thing to move forward with, and we will do this in a user-centric way. Basically thinking about what is in between the vehicle and the person, and we're thinking about working with clothing and some patterns, and to further explore this. So now we're working on the consortium to hopefully do a bigger project. Yes, thank you.